Teachers, you prepare every other profession, and therefore you should and must be a profession and recognized as such. You nurture the values, the discipline, and the curiosity that hold up the fabric of our community. Many years ago, in my former reincarnation as Minister of Education, I attended a seminar in the United States. It was a seminar promoting technology in education. And the presenter, we were all ministers of education and senior technocrats in education all gathered at this seminar. I believe it may have been sponsored by Microsoft at the time. And the presenter came up to the lectern and he said to us, "Can any of you tell me what is the greatest invention in education?" Can any of you tell me what is the greatest invention in education? If you know the answer, don't tell me. Allow me to make the joke. But of course, we were all racking our brains. We are in a technology seminar, so we are all thinking about technology. And of course, today, the answer could have been artificial intelligence. And we were giving him all kinds of answers. The computer, the slate, all kinds of answers. And he said, the greatest invention in education is the teacher. Think about it. Who is the teacher? Yeah, you will say it's the one who instructs, who imparts knowledge. But it's if you look at it from its original, the first teacher would have been the person who discovered something, but was not selfish in the discovery. Whatever he discovered or she discovered that was of value, they made it a point of duty, so then it became a moral issue to share the knowledge with someone else. But more than that, to see to it that the benefit of the discovery